coming to you from thecraftsergeant.com, and thank you for joining me for a video tutorial. I'm super excited to share with you this beautiful card here I created. I don't know, it looks a little manly. Alright, so this card I actually featured in my Facebook Live. I thought it would be really cool for me to start giving you guys cleaner versions of my cards that I create on my Facebook Lives. For those of you who aren't aware, I do Facebook Lives on my Facebook business page every Sunday. It's called Stampin' Sundays with the Craft Sergeant at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I know some people do not like the sidebar conversations and the chattering and all that kind of stuff. So I thought it would be really neat for me to be able to kind of, you know, have a more straightforward tutorial with the projects that I create. Alright, so without further ado, this is the first card that we are going to create. I created a total of 3 cards, and this is the first in that series for that Facebook Live. So what's really neat and what I love about this card is that you might think that this is pattern paper or designer series paper, but it's not. I actually stamped my own background, and I love how the colors came together. It kind of reminds me of a Ninja Turtle, but at the same time it's a little more masculine, I think. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think this is a masculine card? Because I know I have a habit of creating cards that are really, really girly. But, so yeah. But on this card, I used the Tropical Chic stamp set. Here it is right here. This stamp set has 3 really, really awesome sentiments. You are the greatest. Thank you. With much love and thanks. And then I love the images. So you can find this stamp set on page 120 and 121 of the catalog. This is our annual catalog. If you need a copy, hit me up in the comments below and let me know I can send you one. But it is actually a suite of products that coordinate with the stamp set, and it's called Tropical Escape. There's some really gorgeous Tropical Escape 6x6 designer series paper in this suite, and let me tell you, there is a promotion going on with buy 3 get 1 free, and of course, you know, I had to buy another set of this because it's so gorgeous, especially in person. There's also a Tropical Escape cardstock pack that comes with this. You can get the 1/2-inch texture weave ribbon in Granny Apple Green and Gray Granite. You can get the tropical elements. There's 20 pieces in that. So it's these cute little flower buttons that you can see here. And then not only can you get the stamp set, but you can get this at 10% off if you purchase both the stamp set along with the thin lit dies. So that is a really, really great deal. And like I said, it comes in both wood mount and clear mount stamps. I'm not sure if I said that. I said that like I said, but I'm not sure if I told you guys that. But it comes in both. So this is the stamp set. This is the card. Let's go ahead and create. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to create this card is cardstock, of course. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of Granny Apple Green cardstock that measures at 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches and is scored at 4 1/4. This is your standard A2 size card. You're going to need a piece of Whisper White cardstock that measures at 5 inches by 3 3/4 inch. I also have another little piece of Whisper White that measures at 2.5 inches by 2 inches. And then a piece of basic black cardstock that measures at 5 1/4 inches by 4. For inks, you are going to need Granny Apple Green for this card, and I use Memento Tuxedo Black ink to stamp my background. And as far as adhesive, you can use anything that you have in your stash. You can use Tombow liquid glue. You can use Snell adhesive. You can even use glue dots if you want. It's all up to you. Alright, so one last thing I did not mention earlier on, I did use an additional stamp set, and it's called Friendly Expressions. I pulled the Thanks for All You Do sentiment out of this one because I love I love the fonts in this set. And so that's why I used that. But you can use what is in the stamp set as well. This card is really simple and it works up really, really fast, let me tell you. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my stamping first. So the first thing I'm going to stamp is my sentiment on this little piece of Whisper Whites. So I'm making sure that it's inked up really well. I'm going to center this right there. Boom, just like that. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, so let's set that to the side. And now we're going to create our background. And all I did was I just inked up this leaf in the Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I just stamped it randomly. There's no rhyme or reason to how I did that. I just stamped it randomly all over the Whisper White. So you want to make sure that you get it in different directions. Some of them can be completely on the card, some of them can be off of the card. And what I really like is that, I'm not sure if it's my stamp or the ink pad, but I love how it's not completely dark. I might need to re-ink my my ink pad, but I do kind of like the faded antique look. So I'm just going through and stamping. So now that we're done with that, we're going to put away our black, and then we're going to take out our greeny apple green, and we're going to stamp the little dots or seeds. They kind of look like seeds, and like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to this either. So now all we're going to do is we are going to assemble our card. So we're going to fold our card base. I'm going to take our bone folder and make sure it's creased in pretty good. And take my Tombow. Alright, then I'm going to take this little piece too. And then you can like pop this up on with dimensionals, or you can glue it flat. I might just change this up a bit, and I'm going to throw some dimensionals on this one just because I can. And there you have it. Look how nice this card is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this card. Look how easy and simple that was. Now, normally I would cut out another sheet of Whisper White and just put this on the inside of the card, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that. But that would normally measure the same as the basic black, which is 5 1/4 inches by 4 inches. So I would put that in there so that way I can write a message on it or stamp another sentiment on the inside. Alright guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This card can be found on my website, thecraftsergeant.com. I will have the link to the coordinating blog post down below. On it you will be able to find a project PDF with the measurements and a supply list for all of the things that I used on this card today. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you liked the video. Have a good day.